Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the core radios, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on both Oppo phones. Then open Settings, tap Google, and find Device Connections, right arrow nearby Share to turn it on. Make sure your visibility is set to Contacts, or Everyone depending on who you share with, and pick Data Usage, Wi-Fi preferred for large files. You do this now so devices can discover each other. Once done, keep screens awake briefly to allow pairing and discovery. You pick the photo, video, or file and tap Share, then choose Nearby Share from the menu. Once Nearby Share scans, wait for the recipient's device name to appear and tap it to initiate. The receiver will get a prompt to accept or decline. When they accept, the transfer begins over the selected channel. While sending, watch the progress indicator. If you need faster speeds, switch to Wi-Fi or enable hotspot on one device and repeat the share for large files. You finish by opening the Downloads or Photos app to confirm the file arrived intact. Larger media may index a moment later. If transfer fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and retry. That clears transient discovery problems. If issues persist, set Nearby Share visibility to everyone briefly and retry, or restart both phones. One key tip: if devices still won't see each other, reboot and ensure both run recent Google Play services and system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.